All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Security alert. Fúlani sends strong message to all Yoruba people. We are not leaving Yoruba forest. We are set to kidnap more. All right, my people, the news in details. Well, onto this, the Fúlani people have finally sent strong message to all the Yoruba Obas and to all pastors, different churches, that they remain in the forest no matter what who the president is, no matter what who is on the throne. And right now, a lot of people are now running elter-skelter. Right now, a lot of people are now running for their dear life. What exactly is going on? This is another strong one that is reaching us. Security alert. And this set of Fúlani, they have now made up their minds that no matter what it takes, forget the fact that is a Yoruba man that is your president. Now we remain in that forest. That's exactly what is going on right now. The people are now like, the Fúlanis are now like, they remain in the Yoruba forest right now. Some weeks ago, I talked about the kidnap of a Redeemed Church pastor, that they were kidnapped, and about 7 worshippers were also kidnapped, where they killed the Redeemed pastor. Now another news that is reaching us had been that this same set of Fúlani in the forest of Yoruba land, according to the news, it says the place is in Imo, in Yoruba land. They kidnapped this set of people. They kidnapped a pastor and a hunter with a petrol station manager was kidnapped, and the end of it all, they were taken to the forest. And with the news reaching us, it was gathered that the security man in that filling station that they kidnapped was killed because they discovered he would not be able to pay. He does not have money. And then meanwhile, at the end of it all, they collected the sum of 5 million naira from the pastor and the manager. They were able to raise 5 million naira after they had called their people and everything. They were able to raise 5 million naira, and they were released. Right now, what are we actually talking about? This is now happening on a daily basis, because at the end of it all, this set of Fulanis gave them some order. They requested for different things that they will keep using to manipulate, to run their wicked activities in Yoruba land. Right now, as we speak, these Fúlani people are still in Yoruba land, and they have sent strong signal that they will continue to kidnap, and then nothing will happen. To the extent, after collecting the sum of 5 million naira, they requested for torchlight, they collected mosquito coil, they collected toothpaste, they collected different kind of things that they can use to that can facilitate their job in the forest. My brother, my sister, come to think of it, what do you think is happening in Yoruba land right now? What do you think is going to happen as we speak? Now the Fúlani have made up their minds. They are going to remain in the forest. Right now they are getting more equipment. They have their AK-47. What they do is right now is to go to churches, kidnap the pastor, kill whosoever they can kill, and they collect ransom and equip themselves with more weapons, with more tools to work more. Right now they have given the sign that they are going to remain in that forest, and they are still kidnapping more. Right now they remain in the forest. They are killing, kidnapping for ransom. My brother, my sister, this is so strong. This is happening in Yoruba land. What exactly is the government doing? When Buhari was there, we were like, oh, it was because it was a Fúlani man that was there. That was why everybody is keeping mute. That was why the Fúlani people have edge to do and undo. But right now, a Yoruba man is there. What is Bola Ahmed Tinubu doing? What is the president doing? Majority of people said, oh, we voted for him so that he can, he can take care of the people, so that he can secure the land. But right now, majority of them are now expressing disappointment that this man has not performed. He has not done what he's supposed to do. There's hardship in the land right now. There is hardship. I think kudos to Chief Sunday Igboho. Kudos to Professor Banji Akintoye. This are the set of people that opened the eyes of everyone that there should be a form of awareness, that there should be a form of coming out, speaking out, and sending out Fúlani out of the land, because this set of people are not here. They are not in Yoruba land to joke, but they are there to kill and destroy. Right now, a lot of people will be like, oh, why is it that all these people are being kidnapped? Yes, maybe it's their own problem because they are staying in the forest, or they are staying in the bush and all that. They are staying in the villages that it does not concern them. My brother, my sister, hey, as it stands right now, nobody is safe. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. If you are out there, you are saying shebi na the people will be say, then they stay for all those or your state, all those one where they stay for village side, now then they kidnap. My brother, my sister, it will soon get to you if you continue to say it does not concern you. This is not the time for us to say, oh, it is not my problem. This is not the time for us to say, oh, it is those people that they will be kidnapping, but me, I'm a big boy. As we speak right now, they are kidnapping both big man and big boy, young man, in fact, with any color, provided you are still in this country. That's why everybody needs to wake up. Right now, what exactly is going on? These people have sent signal that they will remain in the forest, most especially in Yoruba land, and it had been happening. Right now, as we speak, a lot of things are happening that we don't even know. But the few ones that we get to know, we need to let you understand. Majority of people don't know what is actually going on right now. There is problem in Yoruba land, most especially Yoruba land right now, because the case right now is that they are trying to drop every Christian in Yoruba land. In case you don't know, if you are a Christian, you are not safe. Now, this same church, this other church that this kidnapper went to arrest to kidnap the pastor and then the petrol station manager and the rest, they said the church is a CAC church and right now they are going everywhere. They collected some money, they released two, and they killed one that was unable to pay. My brother, my sister, what signal is that trying to tell you? Because right now this set of people have collected a lot of things that they can use that can facilitate their job. They have collected torchlights, they've collected battery, they collected different kind of things that can facilitate their job. What does that tell you? Meaning they are still coming out to kidnap as many people as possible. Right now, they are in Yoruba land. They are everywhere. My brother, my sister, what do you think is going to happen in the next hour? Who do you think is going to be their next victim? Definitely, somebody will still be their next victim, meaning nobody is safe as far as Nigeria is concerned, as far as Yoruba land is concerned. That is why we are saying everybody needs to wake up. Everybody needs to open his or her eyes. This set of people have shown to you that they are still ruling. They have shown to you that forget the fact that Yoruba man is the president. The Fúlani are making it clear right now that they are taking over. This is happening right now as we are speaking. A lot of people are falling victim on a daily basis. In fact, somebody was telling me that, in fact, forget daily basis, that it's on our hourly basis. After an hour, it is happening. That is why everybody needs to wake up. You can't just sit back and say, well, it has not gotten to my turn, it won't get to my turn. My brother, my sister, you don't know the next victim. These people that were kidnapped, that man that was killed never believed he will be kidnapped. Only God knows how long he has been working in that place. But it happened that he was kidnapped and he was killed because they noticed that he would not be able to pay. He does not have the money. after they interviewed him, he was telling them that the only money he's receiving is what he hope on, which is 12,000 naira. Immediately they heard, oh, 12,000 naira now be your salary. The next thing, they dragged him to a corner and then they used rope to kill him, strangle him with a tiny rope till he died. My brother, my sister, what does that tell you? This is so serious. This is not funny at all. If you are out there, you are saying, oh, it has not gotten to me, it won't get to me. My brother, my sister, you will not know when it will get to you if we keep mute, if we keep quiet. Now, this is a very strong alert from the Fúlani, as they have sent that note of warning message. They have taken over Yoruba land. They have taken over all the forest. Everybody needs to wake up. How long are we going to continue like this? And the majority of people are complaining that even after they kidnapped a pastor in the Redeemed Church of God, that the GO of the Redeemed Church of God, Pastor Iye Adeboye, had not come out to say anything about that. To me, I don't know if he had come out or not, but majority of people are angry that at least a pastor should have come out and then try his best to secure every redeemed church, no matter how small. The security of the people is very, very important right now, because we are all human beings. Everybody needs to be fine. Well, I think this is not the time to play. This is not the time to joke. Yes, if you are there, you are hoping that the president, the newly elected president, will do the job. Then I think you are sitting on a long thing. Right now, this is the time for all the youth to wake up. If they are sleeping, they need to wake up, because you don't know the turn of who is going to be the next minute and exactly what it is. My people, onto this one, majority of things though had actually been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.